What's the meaning of cinematographic? Cinematographic. Cinematographic.
Cinematographic. Cinematographic. The word cinematographic refers to anything related to motion pictures or the art of making films. It can be used to describe the technical aspects of film production, such as camera work and lighting, as well as the creative elements, such as storytelling and visual style. This term encompasses the entire range of filmmaking processes, from pre-production planning to post-production editing and distribution. Cinematographic works can be both commercial and artistic, and they have the potential to entertain, educate, and inspire audiences around the world.